We are here. We are here.
Looking stunning. Looking
Yes.
beautiful.
Yes, Gwena. Drip check. Drip check.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yeah, guys, we here. Nice work. Yellow carpet. Outing walk. Outing walk. Hi, Kiki. Outing born. Outing. Yes. 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 Hi, Nami.
Yellow. Yeah. Umechita, mas. Umechita. This guy.
We are not here. We are here. Oh, are here, South Africa. So, some is too big. So, okay, where do we start? Left, right, center, middle. Yes, okay, where are we going to start? They say we must get a drink here. Let's get a drink before we. Oh, hello. Actually, we're supposed to apply for all those things.
But we are somewhere.
We're not supposed to choose one. We're supposed to choose all of those things.
How? Because you only choose one to eat.
No. One ticket is for the main event. And then the rest, you just choose everything.
Wait, was it possible to choose everything?
Yes. He asked why I know you're going to have a problem. We only have one. So you see, I was supposed to be taking 4. I can say. Let's go talk to Kiki.
Yeah, let's get a drink.
Alright. Cool. Are you thirsty?
Yes.
You don't look thirsty. You look fresh.
I'm always fresh.
Out of the box.
Even when I'm tired. Nice here. This vibe and people, are having fun.
Awesome. It's an astonishing place. I mean, like, it's killing. We have food, we have music, we have everything that you would.
Where's the food? Where's the food?
I saw some food outside. How are you guys?
Good and you?
Good, how are you?
Blue, the red, the orange. When on your game? It's on me, baby. It's on me, baby. It's on me, my baby. Yes, I can finish them here and order more. You know?
I did.
You shot again. Red, the color of the robot. Yeah.
Thank you very much. I'm gonna see you guys later.
Yeah, we will meet. How am I going to hold them? I must start ordering fuel. Okay. Samu. So, I mean, like. Hi, Fomoto. You see my hands are occupied. Hi, Fomoto. This Fomoto guy is
Nkupi, nice to meet you. So you guys are creators.
Yeah.
What are you guys on?
Oh, here. I'm giving you two.
Live.
Yeah.
Can you please just show the people where you are?
I mean, I'm this side. Oh, Samu, I thought it was a selfie. I'm with her. Hey guys, it's us like getting me back. It's me and Samu. Okay, I just got him always so kept. I mean, like,
And it's nice, the
I
color.
want to have 2.
Like, the products are cool this side, everything is lovely. The
Competition
laptops, the
time. I mean, like,
Yo.
bring yourself here over to Nazareth. They use gate 10. Uber here, it's just 150 from where I came.
Let me check that outfit out. Let me check that outfit out.
Drip check, yellow for MCN.
Oh, come on.
Oh. Please put it in here. We were kind of undecided whether we should take sports or lifestyle, but then Samu won. We tossed a coin, and then she won. Let's see what it has for us. Oh, you don't want me. You don't want me. You want to find new people around this place. Okay, they gave me this. We're so close, but they gave us headsets, so let me just use. My head is too big. I don't have a chair, I'll just stand. See a man, we're going to put him in the middle. And when we get there, we're waiting for him. When he's done, we're going to put him in the middle. And we're going to make him laugh. How are we going to make him laugh? How are you going to make him laugh? We are drinking proper waters. I don't know whether this is water or not. Whatever it is, we are drinking it.
This one is nice. This one.
I won't stop.
But now, not yet.
It's the beginning, Miguel.
No land jacket.
None. I like this like
It's like a... This one isn't here, second name?
Nkupi, M-A-N-K-O-P and M-A-N-K-O-P-A-N-E.
Do you have a picture of your ID? Just because it's not here, so maybe they took your name, your full name. Your name's not here. Just double check their win while I
Guys, yes, they only gave Samu the bag and the jacket, and she's the only one with everything. See, now we don't have anything. Let's go see this guy. Hi, DJ Khathu.
How's this?
Good on you. Samu, can you please go that side and we take a video with DJ Khathu? How fun? Sam, how fun?
Oh, look at us.
We're getting expert
Look at us.
advice.
Please laugh. Please laugh. Please laugh.
We always laugh.
Is it recording?
Yeah, we always laugh at videos.
Please laugh.
We always laugh at videos. Today we're having the laugher himself.
Yeah,
I mean, how does it feel to breathe next to the himself? Breathe some.
I can't.
Where's the jump?
Hi, nice to meet you, Khathu, man.
nice
You look exactly the same in your videos. You don't put makeup. You don't
And
put makeup.
Samanyana in real life.
Foundation.
Oh,
Yay!
wow.
Try it. This one doesn't want to
So-
me.
Some handsome man.
Nyan.
Well, Roddy Wangamanda, at least in the handsome man.
How to say, how to
I'm
say.
sorry, Amanda. No, Amanda.
Yes. So
tsena ka mo manaleng nya gore ba re tshware manala ke nya ka ba tshware manala mo philong a sanga ka diwa mana ba o di eng ka mo apa sing ke ba tshware manala ba ngile ba o di manala mo philong na sing ke ba mota ke matlo.
Are you guys content creators?
Yeah.
Nkupi, look, it's a big
Marshmallow.
ginger. I should have. It's fertile already.
Big Brother's marshmallow. Big Brother's big marshmallow, small marshmallow, big marshmallow. I'm having a bushmallow. This is marshmallows. This is a bush.
Big marshmallow.
You know that thing we used to do when we put this thing in our hand and if I make it that thing.
Guys, I want to stay here.
Like, you know what? I would like to speak, but I have marshmallows in my mouth. She are mellow rice. This is high there. The high level of concentration of mellow in my mouth is not allowing me to finish everything that I'm doing. You must create videos. You must be content creators. So like, you must be content.
I want to stay here. I want to live here. I want to be here.
We are getting married here. We are all invited. Everything is financed. This is my hairdress. Her wedding dress is here. This is the secret location wedding. I'm sorry.
Nkupi. Oh, I can't believe it.
Even the accent here changed. The accent here changed.
Bagels.
Baby, I can't finish this marshmallow. I'm full. Never will I ever take this big marshmallow. I can't finish it. Hey! I bet this one is gonna live here with more weight. This one is gonna live here with more.
I wanna cry.
I mean, this is a secret location.
Look like heaven on earth was.
If you feel like you want to come, let me drop me your location.
You guys, everywhere
Buy
they
me.
are those sweets.
I'm going. I'm tired of receiving. I'm too tired. This one even got shoes and got brass, everything.
This guy is lying, guys. Okay, the bag is full. Put my name on it. My name.
Maybe they saw that I came with a bag.
My name on it.
If you like it, then you put a name on it. If you like it, then you should have put a name on it. Don't be scared of putting the name on it. If you like it, then what are those? Guys, they say I must finish this. They say I must finish all of this in 2 minutes. They say call one person, you can finish it with. I got Samuperty Zulu. Yes, it. I'll leave this place.
Guys, it's nice here.
I wish I was a what's that thing? What's that thing that eats and puts food in its mouth for later? What's that thing? That eats and puts food in its mouth. A hyena. If I had a hyena's ability to eat and go.
Guys, Candy and Co is always a home.
Candy and Co.
Wherever they are, like there's always champagne, there's always food. Everywhere. Guys, check them out.
Look at this one. It looks like bread. Look at you cook. I'm not cooking, but
The sabola is a key.
I can buy more things.
The sabola is a key.
Some food. Who's not there? That is the ending. You took a donkey, a jaw, and a fish, everyone in the Bible. Let's go. Let me take 2. How do I look when I'm chewing?
Okay.
Guys, they say you must finish all of this.
Let me go to my...
They say I must finish all of this. I'm going to take 5, 5, 5 or 20, 20, 20. This is a serious VIP section. I take one in here and I eat it. Yes, sir. And I move. Wait, marshmallow mga ako niya. So guys, teacher fireball. I must mellow more song as you say. Camuro no lady. I was going to get a kidding Gloje, Maragrinia, you got that touch. So, when I pin pop mola, when I let you do what little visa. I'm going to touch a more. Mogo Taja, and keep on Jenny Hansa, don't cry, you cry, and Capon. Re is now you. If I will live now, you. Baby? Huh? Huh? Where's the big one?
I love it.
Where's it? Galong bonis.
I wanna go and play those games.
I do. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I wanna do my nails. Put my nails on. It's a bottle of whiskey.
We are sitting here at the sugar diabetes area. Sugar diabetes is there, nicely there.
I hate you, bro.
You want to act cool. Yeah, you want.
Yeah, guys, I'm tired. I wanna leave.
Arvai.
I wanna leave.
Genile.
I wanna leave. Bro, the lighting is nice. People just there.
Genile Samu.
I'm tired.
Okay. Then,
We're not leaving. We're here at the sugar diabetes area.
You know I have a gig tomorrow. Okay.
You'll have anything for me.
I don't wanna go there. Oh, like the jub, yeah. Like I've never seen such a jub in my whole entire life.
You can't finish one. You can't finish one. Take it. The moment you take it, you are out. Sugar diabetes.
This one.
Sugar diabetes. Bona. It's sugar diabetes mellitus.
I don't know what they did here, but
The moment you...
And who's the prize?
it's very big.
I want to actually melt it in the microwave.
Yeah, that's better because
At least you show us how to braai them. I've
Now
never
I'm
braai
just put
them.
it back so I can't eat it.
Samu?
yo, this is not the life I chose, okay?
I thought you were an eater, but today... Aye.
Yay.
Today you are showing me flames. You are no longer eating.
I just want to take off my shoes, but you know what?
Take those things off.
No, I can't. I
Why?
can't show my Zuluness here. Like, what if a store is watching me?
You want
What
to
if-
whoop hard.
Guys. I'm even speaking proper English. You'll never believe it.
But deep down you want to take off your
Deep
shoes.
down, I want to take
Deep
off
down
my
she wants to take off her shoes. She wants to take off her... That time she's wearing a whole... She's wearing a whole Jordan.
This is not what I applied for, yo.
What did you want?
I just wanted to wear my batas. I just wanted to wear my sandals.
Which sandals?
I want to wear my sandals.
Wopaka.
Kabo, ayopaka. Ingqablele.
You've got... But you've got such a nice skin, though. Your skin... your skin mfana is popping.
It is, eh?
What's making?
I'm a
Oh,
little short.
You don't want me giving you mine. I mean, like, you don't want me giving you mine. Check mine out.
It's
Can anybody fix my skin? My skin has a problem. My skin has a problem.
My masks.
What did you use?
I'm using my masks.
Which masks? Which mask?
Somebody's capturing.
Okay, They're disturbing our video with flashlights.
This guy, can I see?
You are ruining the video here.
Okay, I'm sorry, but
You don't want to see. She doesn't want to see.
all I
Okay.
want to do, guys. Like,
We are at the sugar diabetes area. And we are busy. Milliliters all over. So, if you check this side, there's a big jube. Brother Melo.
guys, have you ever seen such a big?
It's no longer a marshmallow. It's a bush fellow.
Fado.
Bush. A bush fellow. It's so big you won't finish it.
It's a
If you
bush.
begin, she tried it, ne? I know she's a huge eater. She's a mancha.
At least
Screenshot.
I ate two. Wena.
She just did the help
Guys, this thing is huge.
once. But hey, the night is still young, hey?
Guys, I'm already tired. Like I'm not nyana here. So
Oh, no.
I met that guy in his low went to Twala and then
Manje uyadayisa. And bathi asinike mahala.
wow.
Yo.
I'm like, do you want me to tell you who I am?
We are VIP. She has a personalized bag for heaven's sake.
believe it with my name on it, yo.
Hey, Junia. So she's a VIP, guys.
Yes. They said, oh, you're in the VIP section.
I'm also in the VIP section. You know what? That's why I'm getting this food. I just don't want bags. Bags are for girls. Mochokadi bag.
Guys, like, I just want to untie my hair now, take off my shoes, undress, take off my bra. I just want to
Relax. Guys,
you don't understand the struggle.
let's go have some fun. We are done sitting here. Sam. Thank you so much.
Listen, you don't mind. You don't have nothing. Right, let me get a lady. There's a reason why I'm asking you.